Hi guys, today I want to show you how to fix problem with Sodastream power machine with 3 lights flashing. I had this problem before, like it started just yesterday, and what I found I will show you like how to fix it. Okay, now I'm showing you like my previous setup. My Sodastream machine connected through special hose to big 20 pounds tank. Okay, I opening valve now. Okay, installing bottle. Light is on and I pressing. See? And it's flashing now. See like this problem? Okay, and I want to show you what I found. Why is this problem coming? It looks like Sodastream machine has like some kind of like powerful electric motor to activate like special CO valve and original power supply. It looks like not strong enough. I will show you. This is original power supply, which is coming with Sodastream machine, and it's rated for 6.5 volts and 2000 milliamps, 2 amps basically. Okay, and yesterday I tried to find something similar, but I didn't find it for 6.5, but I found one power supply from my, I think it's from router or something, it's Linksys, and it's 5 volts, 2 amps also. And I'm replacing right now. I'm disconnecting original one and connecting this Linksys power supply. Okay, this is Linksys is coming to the outlet. I connected, and I will show you right now how it's working. But of course it's fixing just for some period of time, but it's better to provide some kind of like power supply, maybe like 3 amps or something. And I already ordered one for myself, and it should be coming power supply for 6 volts, from 6 to 7 volts it should be okay, and for 3.5 amps, and I think it will be working perfect. But for now, at least I have my problem solved. See, like right now light is on and I connecting. You can hear it sound a little bit less than original, but at least it's doing this job, you know. And I have everything is fine right now. Even like I can show you one more time. Ooh. I put a little bit too much water, but everything works fine. Okay? If it helps for somebody, thank you for watching.